Charles Hoskinson might not be the cup of tea for some crypto enthusiast. But turning a blind eye to the 5-year-old evolution that Cardano has undergone is definitely uncalled for. And while taking a detailed look at Cardano, it may seem that it has attained the pinnacle. However, there is a lot more in store for this community. Unveiling more developments is currently Cardano's major goal. And with this, the Ethereum killer might justify its title. What would your life look like if you had more time to do what you really care about and not constantly having to stress about your financial situation? We at Passive Labs know how valuable your freedom is. Get started now and put your money to work for you. With the help of our automated trading software, no stress above market conditions and certainty about your investment and a monthly return of between 20 and 30%. You can start using our software completely free and see for yourself how this will change your life. Check out our website and GA free Telegram and we get you started. In response to the market trend in May, CEO of Input Output Global and founder of Cardo, Charles Hoskinson, ascertained that Cardano ADA was built to be resilient in such a situation. According to him, a good project is built to last. Cardano was created with the main emphasis on quality rather than rushing to beat the market. There is no doubt that Bitcoin's historical trajectory is invaded with bull runs and outrageous drawbacks, but Hoskinson noted that these occurrences have made the asset stronger over time, and Cardano is no different. While comparing Bitcoin to Cardano, in terms of quality, he claimed that the Cardano community is growing in size with a rapidly increasing user base. In a YouTube video, Charles Hoskinson attested that Cardano is stronger than it's ever been in the history of the project. As expected, the strength has not been reflected in the media prices or even the atmosphere in the crypto market. Fear and greed have been on the records instead. Plus, there's no emphasis on basic principles. Again, basic principles: if you are building something for everyone, and you are building it to less and build it well, even if it takes a little bit more money and a little bit more time again and again, I have always said that is not going to be the first to the market, and those who exhibit stability and resilience in the bad times that survive, he said. In addition, he noted that the fair weather people and the cycles in the market will get drowned. And the real people who stay behind will be here for the long term. It is an undeniable fact that the Cardano founders' belief and standards have earned Cardano a perfect reputation in the crypto market. Of course, Cardano's system of approach is slow and steady, but its impact is speaking volumes in the market. It is worth recalling that while most of the Ethereum community fell out with Hoskinson this belief, he played a phenomenal role in the designing of the initial coin offering. Charles Hoskinson was a major player during Ethereum early stages, but his woes began when he suggested that the foundation be run by profit organization. This strategy failed to resonate with the Ethereum community, thus marking his unceremonious exit. However, this exit birthed one of the current biggest contenders of the Ethereum network. Cardano has won the hearts and interest of so many investors, and according to a crypto expert and founder of crypto capital venture, Dan Gormandello, a large number of investors have begun to exit that Ethereum network and migrate to Cardano. The development team sticks with the best strategies even though they're perceived as tortoise moves in alignment with his beliefs. Charles Hoskinson recently took to Twitter that the Ethereum developers were still stuck with technology from 2014 and need to grow up. These statements metamorphosed into a Twitter feud with Ethereum developers. Hoskinson criticized them for ignoring Ouroboros. I've always wondered why the Ethereum crowd is so obsessed with my 6 months there in 2014, and then after the merge, it all made sense. They just seem to really like technology and events from 2014. Levity aside, people really need to grow up and move on. It's fair game, he said. According to Hoskinson, for the last 5 years Ethereum has ignored Ouroboros, and the Ethereum core community is hating Cardano, and his view the Ethereum community has perceived the Cardano community as a coat beholden to an evil sociopathic, but incompetent pathological lying founder who somehow has stumbled on stolen success. But will be in jail at any moment from now when the world wakes up. But what do you think about these claims? Well, it seems like Ethereum does perceive Cardano as a big threat and an impediment to its existence. However, these preposterous claims have limited mass adoption on the Cardano network. Cardano does not need cryptocurrency to be successful to succeed. Mass adoption has not happened yet. We can grow to 1 billion of users without poaching a single one from Bitcoin or Ethereum. He added. Also, the input-output CEO has not failed to fly his support and commitment to Cardano. Ada, when a prominent developer opined that the Cardano testnet was catastrophically broken, Hoskinson maintained his stand and stated that Cardano remains his greatest passion. He added that he was not going anywhere and strongly believed that Cardano could eventually change the lives of billions of people. It may sound unbelievable, but with Hoskinson, his unflinching endorsement and support, Cardano is already a success. The crypto market is combating a bloodbath currently, which has tumbled prices and stunted the growth of many cryptocurrencies. But the Cardano founder is quite unbothered. In a tweet, he shared a universal truth about crypto, stating that the markets have been disconnected from reality. And investors are only watching the price of crypto they huddle, including ADA. Despite the storms of the devil with the crypto market, Cardano has never been stronger, along with many other blockchains. A universal truth about crypto is that markets are disconnected from reality. Cardano has never been stronger, and frankly, many other projects are also solid across the industry. You don't see that reflected just to see a read. Macro factors always went out. He said based on his intentions, the coin's price does not reflect the actual macro factors that support the coin, but the community does not see that as it only craves quick gains. Furthermore, this and throwing cryptocurrency backed by a dog and founder has defied every possibility of being kept under the hood. It is time to take over. Ethereum should definitely be the tech for the season, and Cardano is history. Instead of bullish factors and responses are well positioned as catalysts to support this feat. According to a recent report by Cardano Development Lab, and Mergo will invest $200 million to support the ecosystem's growth over the next 3 years. I mean, that is great news. The development was disclosed by the founder Kyo Kodama on the sidelines of an ongoing Token 2049 conference. These funds will be provided to projects building directly on Cardano and projects from other networks that build products, which integrate Cardano network alongside theirs. Kodama said that $100 million will be specifically for investments in Africa under Merkel's African Investment Initiative. You also know that a key growth driver in the region was the adoption of lending and borrowing crypto services meant for daily life, as opposed to speculative purposes. Although Kodama admitted that the growth of Cardano network has been relatively slow compared to other networks, he was convinced that it is now ready with the infrastructure required to safely expand and grow the network in the coming years. The Tokyo-based cryptocurrency trading platform BitBank has also confirmed the listing of the ADA cryptocurrency. A bank added support for Dogecoin and Polkadot in August. As a matter of fact, last August Bitcoin became the first Japanese cryptocurrency to add support for Cardano ADA. Before then, Japanese cryptocurrency investors were able to trade the token only on foreign exchanges. This professional arm of the exchange Bitcoin Pro added support for Cardano in early February. Cardano was currently referred to as Japanese Ethereum in his early days, because the initial coin offering was conducted with a main focus on the Japanese market and its quest to improve the decentralized finance blockchain. The Cardano founder continues to provide different ideas amid the excitement about the newly launched Vessel hard fork. Charles Hoskinson shared Cardano his vision of securing a certified ADA wallet. In a video cast on September 28th, Cardano hopes to get rid of the original wallet notion and have a blueprint with set standards to guide developers in releasing certified wallets. Hoskinson emphasized that the set standards can act as a benchmark for the rest of the community in developing a functional ADA wallet. We hope to get rid of the notion of an official wallet altogether and instead have a certified wallet versus a non-certified one. And under the certification standards, you can put functional and non-functional requirements, including benchmarking and performance requirements for user experience. It would be really cool to build some protocols to make things run faster. This was the point Hoskinson said. It's quite early days for all cryptocurrencies, and for investors, it can be difficult for anyone to separate hype from substance. Cardano used a slow and steady approach and morphed into a solid platform with exciting benefits. It remains to be seen whether Cardano will finally take over Ethereum, or Danto is a dark horse in crypto and might eventually take over Ethereum, so be sure to watch this space closely. But what are your thoughts on this? Let us know in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next video. But before then, check out our other videos to find out how Cardano is living up to the dream of being the Ethereum killer. And as always, make sure you click the subscribe and notification buttons.